we go.
Yeah.
The new Pelio.
Let's unbox it.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside. Okay. Very well packed. Grab kit. Put it aside. Cables, power cables, negative, positive, ground. What else do we have here? Electric covers, plastic covers, some hardware connectors, and some communication cables. We're gonna see what is this for later. And, oh, I think this is the Wi-Fi module. Yep. Interesting. We have two short power cables, positive and negative. To the side. And we have few screws, covers. Let's see what is this for. Manual, guarantee card. Oh, and you pay it. Two covers, plastic covers for the sides. And the battery itself. So let's pick it up and put it on top of the desk to have a look, a closer look. This is nice. Main serial in one. Products. That's cool. Okay, this is very exciting. This is the new Pelio. Let's have a look at the main features of this battery for residential energy storage. So on one side, we can see the very slim design. In one side, we have the power connections, two for positive, two for negative, to making some parallel connections here. And on the other side, we have linking connections to stack batteries together, and we have CAN communication and RS485. We also have the Wi-Fi connection. You can see the Wi-Fi dongle that fits perfectly here. That's it, to make the battery smart and be able to remotely monitor it. We also have some sort of settings and on-off switch as well, protected with this little lid. This is the new release, Pylontech Pelio. We're going to be connecting this one with the ground kit floor. That's it. Showing there. Now, I'm going to see if I can download the app.
It's a nice looking unit, isn't it?